Hi everyone, my name is Reverend Carrie-Ann Baron. I am a certified SolePath mentor and metaphysical teacher here at the SolePath Institute. My SolePath is spiritual warrior and spiritual balance. I am so excited to be here with you today. I am going to be offering the Tao and the Emotional Divination throughout the month of May on Wednesdays from 4 to 5:30 to you. Absolutely free. We will be gifting you a copy of this electronic version of the textbook as well. So what I'm doing is I'm inviting you into this course that is really going to help you understand your personal energy, understand how energy moves, when it changes, and why this happens. Throughout this course, throughout the 4 weeks, we're going to be exploring what the concept of expanded energy is, the key concepts that support emotional divination. We're also going to be talking about the Tao and the behavior of the Tao, the energetics of the Tao, and then the process itself. Each class, I'm going to lead you personally through the 4-step process where you can shift into a better feeling thought, a better feeling. So I'm so excited to be offering this to you throughout the month of May. The book is absolutely free. We will be guiding you through it, and I'm just so excited to help you figure out how to master your personal energy and guide you through the process as you do so. So please, I invite you to click link wherever that link is amongst the here, and I look forward to spending some time with you guys on Wednesday evenings in the month of May. Okay, talk to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.